To receive your online payments, you will have to create PayPal, Payoneer or any other account. I personally use PayPal and Payoneer to receive my online payments. Here you can see my PayPal account. My last payment from plzz WordPress hosting $115 and Freestyle Networks $99 and other payments from Carbon, Ads, Udemy, plzz WordPress hosting and from other clients. My Payoneer account, payment history, you can see amount $115, $99, $41, $115. PayPal is most popular online service to send and receive your payments. Payoneer is another very popular option. And then you have Skrill, plzz to check out and some other services. So it's up to you. I prefer PayPal and Payoneer.